So yeah.
I couldn't do that practical session because I don't have SQL class.
Okay. So what kind of problem you are facing?
It is saying that TMS either is in shutdown or in initialization.
Mm-hmm.
And I tried to restart, but it is saying that some services are stopping and it is not coming up.
Okay.
Mm.
Can you give me, please start up your team viewer and give me your team viewer ID and password.
Okay.
Okay. Start up your team viewer now.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, just a moment. So give me your team viewer ID.
486
One second. 486
562
562
744.
744. One moment. Password
8767.
8767.
It is 3173.
Okay.
3173.
3173. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm seeing your system. One moment. Mhm. Yeah. So what is the use of joins? Means if you want to fetch multiple data types of data from multiple tables, then we will go for the joins. And what is cross join? Means cross join display combination of data from multiple tables, but at the same time it is displaying irrelevant data to us. How to avoid that irrelevant data? By using equijoin, right? Yeah, equijoin or inner join. Now coming to the part of outer joins. Yeah, you have so many tables out there. From one table I want to see all the data. I don't want to look for the match, whether there exists a match or not. I don't bother about the matches, but I want to see all the customer details from the customer details table, and I want to see customer account details if he is maintaining any fixed deposits. Means from the left table you are seeing all the data, but from the right side table you are seeing only match data. So the matching is performing on the basis of your requirement. That is, whether the customer is maintaining fixed deposit or not. You have to check it out. If yeah, yeah, if he is maintaining a fixed deposit, then display his account details also. Otherwise, don't display some other customer details. Yeah. In that case, we will go for outer joins. So outer joins, what is the final output of outer join? In the sense, display complete data from one table and display only matched data from other table. Yeah. Display complete data from one table and display only matched data from other table. Okay, so what are the types of these outer joins? Types. First type is left outer join. Outer join. So the keyword you can use directly left outer join or left join. Either one you can use. Yeah. What it will display? Yeah. Display complete data from the left table. From the left table. And display match data from the right table. Only match data. Right side table or right table. Yeah. So let us consider, for example, consider the tables customer details. This is one table, and customer transaction details or customer account details. Okay, customer details are having customer number, customer name, customer address, and some mobile number. Okay, now customer account details, customer account number. So here account type, some account name, account type, amount, opening date. It's better to take once. Yeah, customer account type, amount, account opening date, and date. Okay, and maturity period. Maturity period. Yeah. No. From these two tables, one table is customer details, one table is customer account details. Now, from this table, I want to see the data like this. Display all customer details. So, but display customer account details if any customer is maintaining fixed deposit. Okay. Now, see example. Display all customer details and display their account details if they are maintaining fixed deposit. Okay. So here what is the common column name is customer number and customer account number. Now see, select cd dot cno comma cd dot cname comma cd dot address comma cd dot mobile. Okay, next cd dot cad dot account name act underscore name comma cad dot act underscore type account type and amount I want to see cad dot amount. Yeah, from customer details, what is the alias name you are using? CD. And what is the keyword? Left join or left outer join. Another table is customer account details. Alias name is CAD. And use on clause to specify the conditions. Join condition is CD dot CNO equals to CAD dot customer account number. And also you have to specify other condition. What is that condition? In the right side table, customer account type must be FD. So CAD dot customer account type equals to FD. Yeah. So what is the left side table for this keyword? Customer details. So display complete data, whatever the columns you have specified, from the columns it will display all the values. Okay, here I have specified all four columns from the left side table: CNO, CNAME, address and mobile. So display complete data from the left table and display a fixed deposit details from the right side table if the customer is maintaining fixed deposits. Okay. Yeah, come again. Yeah. Okay. Yes, you have to specify all the columns. So there is no another way. Hmm. So, query will be so lengthy, but there is no table with 1,000 columns. Maximum number of columns per a table is only 256. Even you are working with any ERP like Oracle apps, SAP. So even though a table maximum contains 256 columns only. So from those, so if they are, suppose if you are developing the database of the company, you have to maintain a maximum number of columns according to the company requirement. You have to create a table with maximum number of columns. But at the time of generally nowadays we are having so many projects. Even any project is there for all the domains. There is no new project. Just what nowadays the people are doing is just they are enhancing the old projects. Suppose a new banking sector is there, so if they want to automate that banking services, just they are considering old software and making modifications according to the new banking sector and give it to the customer. So no new project is there at all, completely. Yes. So only the making enhancements to the oldest ones. Okay. So in that case, only already old project is there. From those projects, they are considering only required columns. Even it has developed with 255 columns, only they can consider the required columns from the scratch, right? So it is not required to confuse it, I think. And yeah, next one is yeah. So now, next one is mm, I want to see like all account names and all account types and all customer account numbers and amounts they are maintaining. And I want to see if a customer is maintaining above 1 lakh fixed deposit amount, as well as if the customer is living in Texas, I want to see the customer address details. Again, I am repeating. I want to see customer account number, customer account name, account type, and amounts, all customer details. Okay, but the customer has to maintain fixed deposit, and the fixed deposit amount must be above 1 lakh. Okay, next. In the left side table, if the customer is maintaining fixed deposit as well as if the customer is living in Texas, then only I want to see his personal details like customer name, address, mobile. Yeah. In that case, we have to go for a right outer join. So means you are displaying the data from the right side table, right? Yeah, right outer join. So display complete data from the right table, and display only matched data from the left table. Any number of tables, even maximum number of, here we are using left join keyword, am I right? So this kind of keywords, not only left join, according to your requirement, specify any kind of join in between the tables. So maximum number of joins you can use within a single query is 64 joins at a time. Yeah, within a single query. Suppose this is the single query, am I right? So in this, specify whatever the required tables are there. So specify whatever the required joins are there in between any two tables. So like that, this kind of keywords you can use 64 keywords. Okay. Now display complete data from the right table, from the left table. Okay. This example is display all account numbers, comma, customer account names, comma, amounts, amounts. Okay. And this, yeah, amounts. If the amount account type, okay, if they are maintaining fixed deposit, which is above 1 lakh. Okay. And display customer address details if they are living in Texas. Yeah. From the right side table, actually, I want to see all the details. Even the customer is living in Texas or in any other city, but I want to see his customer account number, account name, account type, and amount. But if any customer is living in Texas, then display his address details also. Okay, now see, select from the left table what is the required columns. Customer name, cd dot cname, comma, cd dot address, comma, cd dot mobile number, along with cad dot customer account number, comma, cad dot customer account name, comma, cad dot customer account type, comma, cad dot amount. Yeah, from um, customer details, that is cd. I am using right outer join customer account details CAD. What are the conditions on CD dot customer number is equal to CAD dot customer account number. So this is the join condition. Okay, what are the additional conditions? From the right side table, I want to see all the data, but the customer has to maintain account type of fixed deposit, right? Customer account, okay, account type is enough, okay. Account underscore type equals to FT, okay. And yes, 1 second. And the uh, amount greater than 1 lakh. Even if you are confusing, just put it in parentheses, no problem. Okay. First of all, account number in the first table should be equal to account number in the second table, and that account type must be fixed deposit, and the amount of that account must be above 1 lakh. Okay, yeah, and mm, customer who is living in CD dot mm, address. Address should be Texas. Okay, here I have 1 second. CAD dot CAD dot amount. Yeah. Is it clear now? Yeah. Now next go for full outer join. The third join is full outer join. So in left outer join, is it displaying the matched data from both tables? Okay. Along with what it is displaying? Yeah, all the details of the left side. Means it is not displaying unmatched data from the right side table. Yeah. So, but by using full outer join, you can differentiate what is the unmatched data from the left table, what is the unmatched data from the right side table, and what is the matched data from both the tables. So, only one output but contains three parts. One is it will display matched data from both tables, first one. Continuously display unmatched data from the left table, and continuously display unmatched data from the right table. Okay, yeah. So use it to display first part matched data from both tables. Unmatched data from left table. Left table. Yeah.
Maybe it is like a cross join, but only it is something output.
Yes. So in cross join, it is displaying yeah, matched data and unmatched data all completely. It is displaying relevant and irrelevant data. But here it will be organized in a well meaningful format. Unmatched data from right table. Yeah. Okay. So suppose if you apply full outer join for the above requirement for this example, then it will display how it will display means first it will display the customer who is living in Texas. For that customer, it will display his address details and his if he is maintaining in any fixed deposit amount greater than 1 lakh. So it will display the matched data means the customer addresses who are living in Texas along with their account details. So account type is FT and amount is greater than 1 lakh like that. First it will display the matched data from both tables. Next it will display the customer details who are not living in Texas from the left. Okay. Next it will display the customer account details who are not maintaining fixed deposits. Yeah, yeah. For the same query, I'm writing just at the place of right outer join, use full outer join or full join. Okay, full outer join. Then what kind of output it will display? The above query display the match data in the sense display the customer address details and their account details. The customer address details and their account details details who are living in Texas and maintaining FT above 1 lakh. Who are living in Texas and maintaining EFT above 1 lakh. First part, continuously display what it will display, customer address details who are not living in Texas. Customer address details who are not living in Texas and continuously customer account details who are not maintaining either FT or above 1 lakh. Continuously display customer account details who are not maintaining either FT or uh, below 1 lakh amount. Below 1 lakh amount. Yeah. Okay. So this is the use of full outer join or any outer joins. So what is the use of outer joins in the sense? If you want to display complete data from one table and display only matched data from some other table, then only we will go for outer joins. If you want to see the complete data or matched data from both the tables, then go for equi-join. So if you want to map different records with a single record, then go for cross-join. Okay. And yeah, what is a self-join? Shall we discuss about the self-join? Not discuss it, okay. And go for self-join. Yeah. So before this, a self-join in a sense, a table which is joined itself is known as a self-join. Self-join, in which case a self-join is required, means I want to display the data from one table, but I have only one value from the table. Again, I am repeating, I want to display data from only single table, but I have a value from the same table, but I don't know, based on the given value from the table, you have to display the remaining values. It's so simple, just see. Let us consider employee table is there. Employee name, city of the employee, Ajay, Delhi, Vijay, Delhi, Kiran, Hyderabad, Madhu, Hyderabad, Vinay, Chennai, uh, Rakesh, Bangalore. Yeah, these are the details of the employees. Let us assume like that. Okay, now from this I have a requirement like this. Display employee names and their cities who are living in the city of Madhu. Got my point? Display employee name and their cities who are living in the city of Madhu. First, we have to refer the table whether Madhu is existed in the table or not. Next, we have to verify Madhu is living in which city. Then we can compare this city with all the cities in the same table. If there exists a match in the same table, then you have to display that employee name also. So finally, you are displaying the data from one table. You have a single value. Based on that value, you are making all these operations, right? In that case, we have to go for self-join. Self-join is nothing but a table which is joined itself. Join itself. Okay. Here we have to consider two alias names for the same table. Two alias names for the same table. So whenever you are considering an alias name maintains a temporary copy of the same table. Okay. Let us see. Consider it as E1, one alias table. Okay. What happened? Mm, yeah. For this table, I am specifying it as E2. Yeah. I am writing the query from the first alias table. I will look for given value is existed or not. Select. Finally, I want to see employee name, comma, city of the employee. From employee table, what are the alias names? E1, comma, again, okay, employee table, E2. So here, where E1 dot ename equals to Madhu. Okay, and if there exists a match, then take the city of Madhu. How can I take the city? E1 dot city. Whenever you are having a match, if you are specifying some other column name with the alias name, then it will take the column value in that matched record only. So E1 dot city in the sense Hyderabad equals to compare this city with all the cities in the second alias table. Yeah, E2 dot city. Okay. See. Okay. First, this is the matched value. Let us assume. Just see. This is the matched record. Okay, fine. Mm, okay. What we have to say? Just specify some matched value. Mhm. This is the matched record. From this matched record, what you are taking? City. Okay, city is comparing with all the cities. Whatever the cities you have compared, what are the matches here? This is a match and this is a match. Okay, here first condition is true. That is E1 dot ename equals to Madhu. Okay, next E1 dot city equal to E2 dot city. Hyderabad is equal to Delhi. Not matched. Not matched. Here it was matched. If both conditions are true, then AND operator display the results. So the result should be displayed from which alias table? either first alias or second alias. So always go for second alias. It's very, very important. If you are displaying the values from the first alias, it will display duplicate values. Okay? Yeah. So two conditions are matched. So then you are displaying the data from the second alias table. Second alias table, which one is the matched record right now? This is the matched record. Okay. From the second alias table, it will display Kiran and HYD. Next, this city is compared with the next city. Again, you are having a match. Right? Already this condition is true. Now the second condition is also true. Then again it will display the data. Madhu HYD. Next it is comparing with next city. Not matched. Not matched. Finished? Any confusion? Yeah, no keyword is required here. Okay? And see, suppose if you are displaying the data from the first alias table, I am saying if you are displaying the data from the first alias, it will display duplicates. Right? How it is displaying duplicates? Let us assume. What is the matched record? This is the matched record. Am I right? Okay. In the second table, there exists a match for. Here it is matched. If two conditions are true, then it is displaying the data. Let us assume it is displaying the data from the first alias table. In the first alias table, what was the matched record? This is the matched record. Am I right? Hello? Yeah. Hi. Okay, okay. Now, one second. What happened to this? Now, is it okay? Hello? Hello? Any problem? Okay. Hello? Okay. Hello?
Now I can hear.
Okay, okay. Yeah, see here. So, first alias table. This is the match data. Yeah, this is the match data. From the second alias table, you are having the first match at this place. Okay. For the both conditions are true, then if it is displaying the data from the first alias table. So, what is the first alias table match data? This record is the match data. Yeah. So, it will display Madhu Hyderabad first time. So, next time in the second alias table, it will compare with the next city. Again, you are having a match. For this match also, it is displaying the data from the first alias table. So again it will display the same record. Got it? So for each match in the second alias table, if you display the data from the first alias table, it will display duplicate data. That's why it is needed to display the data from second alias table only. Okay, so this is the information about joins. Tomorrow we will see about the subqueries. Yeah, Sri, from the next week beginning onwards, coming Monday onwards, I will take up 1.5 hour session. So this week a little bit busy. Okay, Monday onwards I will take 1.5 hour session. No problem.
Friday morning.
Yeah, sure. I will confirm it tomorrow.
Can you send me that interview questions also?
Yeah. So can I send it to you on Sunday or Saturday?
Yes, Saturday would be fine.
Okay. Okay. I